Hey there, Kathy here with Crunchy Cleaning by Kathy. I want to show you how the Thieves cleaner cleans off toothpaste marks off of mirrors. Yeah. So I get my Thieves cleaner, do a nice little shake, a couple little sprays, set it aside, get my little microfiber cloth. You can use kitchen paper too if you like. And wipe. There you go. Streak-free pretty mirror every time. Then you can use it to clean the rest of the house. Like the sink. Get all that toothpaste off. Get it nice and shiny again. Non-toxic, eco-friendly, safe on every surface. Marble, tile, leather, porcelain, stainless steel, glass, mirror. What else? Wood, granite, natural stone, and there you go. And a nice clean sink. Oh, I just turned the water on. Look at that. Nice and clean.